Swimming with whale sharks in the Philippines was one of the best experiences I've ever done, but it wasn't what I expected. And in this video I'll take you through the whole day, how much it cost and whether I recommend it. So dehydrated, don't know what to say. Who's sleeping by my side? What did I do last night? Can someone make this headache go away? Yesterday was supposed to be quiet. Being to myself and sit in silence. Until I got a call, my friend showed up at my door. They wanted me to go out for a while. We were dancing in the dark, with a feeling in our eyes. Felt like we had it all. We were dancing in the dark. We were dancing in the dark. Whoa, oh, 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 oh. Then the price for the trip, so if you have your own snorkeling gear, it's 3,500 pesos per person. If you don't have your own snorkeling gear, which I assume most people won't, it's 3,750 per person, plus an extra 250 for conservation fee. So altogether, without your snorkeling gear, is 4,000 Philippine pesos per person. If you do want to stay the night before, which again I do recommend, they have economy rooms with a shared bathroom, AC and queen bed, which costs 1,440 per room per night. Or what I did was just stayed in a dorm bed, which was 400 pesos per night, so that's not too bad. So the travel duration is approximately 1.5 hours by boat each way. They do supply mineral water, coffee, tea and bread on board, and they do note that they do look for them in their natural state, and it is never 100% guaranteed that you are going to see them. And then the options for lunch, so lunch is included in the tour. They have either a chicken burger, a pork burger or an egg and cheese sandwich. So there's your options there. And I also would definitely recommend bringing sun cream. I know that's probably a given in the Philippines, but the first boat that you get to the main one and back in the afternoon, there isn't really that much shade, so definitely do recommend bringing that with you. So that's going to be the end of this video. If you did enjoy, please make sure to hit the subscribe button and drop a like. I've got plenty more videos coming, and hopefully see you in the next one.